how to set the action button to quickly open a control on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Action button. Next in here, swipe across and find Controls. Next, we tap on the drop-down selection box. From here, you can choose a control to use. So here we got capture, some shortcuts such as calculator, stopwatch, alarm, timer, and dark mode. And then you got connectivity, display and brightness, home, Instagram, measure, note, remote, and so on. There's quite a lot of shortcuts that you can use. So let's say if I want to use the calculator, I use that quite often. So we select calculator. So here, if you press and hold on the action button now, this will allow you to quickly launch the calculator. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.